I want to do a quick review of this remineralizing gum. Okay, this is from Dentagum. This was actually gifted to me. There are 60 little kind of gum chews in here. They're a mango flavor. They're actually very good. This is how big they are. So it's like a little cube of gum. Ideally, you chew it after a meal when your teeth are clean. It does say to kind of use it regularly for about 3 months to really get the benefits. But what this gum does is remineralizes your gums. So if you, as you age, if you are getting receding gums, if you've got sensitive gums or bleeding gums and whatnot, all of that can sometimes be caused by a loss of minerals, basically just because of dietary restrictions or reasons, but also just aging. And so this is a really easy way to kind of help fight that. And I love it because it's gum. I chew gum all the time anyways, and it tastes really good. Okay, it lasts, so it's not like a gum that loses its flavor after the 5 minutes that you've chewed it. It doesn't, get stale and hard to chew after a while. No sugar added to these, synthetic free, GMO free, aspartame free, plastic free. There's, again, no sugar added, so this is a really good option for gum as well. And it's doing your gums a favor. So give them a shot, and I hope this helped.